Hi everyone, my name is Vicky Kumar and I am a YouTuber. My YouTube channel is Aviphinology, where I post videos on how to make money from stock market and stock market related updates and guidance. I have done my schooling from Minapura High School in Hazipur, Bihar, and diploma in ERP Tally from Bangalore. After completion of my education, I went to Bangalore for job, and I got a job as an invoicing executive where I worked for 40 months, and I quit my job just because it was a non-scalable job. So I wanted to do a scalable job, and I searched what is the best scalable job in India, and I found that digital marketing is the best job in India. So I searched, and after searching that, I noticed that in Patna, Semsols is the best digital marketing institute as compared to the others, and so I enrolled at Semsols, where I have been learning from past 2 months, and I have learned many things like content writing, SEO, and email marketing, Google Analytics, and my mentor is very friendly to students, and he explained everything in the easiest way so that students can understand easily. And if you want to learn digital marketing in Patna, then I highly recommend you to learn at Semsols. So if you want to make money from a stock market, please do subscribe my channel and watch all those videos that I have been posted. So thank you.